for everybody.
We believe that a strong, prosperous, and unified Europe is not only good for the people of Europe, but good for the world and good for the United States. Across Democratic and Republican administrations, there's a recognition that the NATO alliance is absolutely vital, and the transatlantic relationship is the cornerstone of our mutual security as well as prosperity.
I stay in my house.
You stay in your house.
Μέγεθος της παγκόσμιας απήχησης και ακτινοβολίας σας.